Creating a business card in Canva is quick and easy. Follow these steps. Sign up or log in. Go to Canva and sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Search for business card templates. On the homepage, use the search bar and type business card. Browse through various templates available. You can also filter by style. Select a template. Choose a template that matches your brand style and click on it to open the editor. Customize your business card. Edit text. Click on text boxes to enter your name, job title, company, contact information, website, etc. Change colors. Select elements and adjust colors to match your brand's color scheme. Upload logo. If you have a logo, you can upload it by clicking on Uploads and dragging it to your card. Add elements. Use icons, lines, and shapes from the sidebar to enhance your design. Download and print. Once you're happy with the design, click Download in the top right corner and select your file format. You can print the card yourself or use Canva's print service for high quality printing.